How to get 5% cashback on gas with Sam's Club Mastercard. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to get 5% cashback on gas with Sam's Club Mastercard. So to get 5% cashback on gas with Sam's Club Mastercard, you must use the card at any gas station or EV charging station where Mastercard is accepted. And if you haven't applied it, you can just head over to their official website to apply for your Mastercard, and you'll earn 5% cashback on any gas purchases up to $6,000 per year, and after that you will still earn 1% back. So your rewards go into the Sam's Cash, which you can track anytime in the Sam's Club app or on their website, and you can just redeem your Sam's Cash for club purchases or gift cards and travel or even cashback at the register. And similarly, you can also always use your Sam's Club Mastercard when filling up. It works at most gas stations nationwide, maximizing your savings. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.